So here's my external hard drive here. 1 terabyte drive, not connecting at all. I'm not reading. My computer's not reading it. So what I've done with this was managed to take it out, and that's the drive there. So I took it out of the box, out of that black casing, and I put it there. Power to my desktop, and then starter to USB into my laptop, so we can read it on here. So now it's just come up actually, but the partition of the drive is not coming up on my this PC, on my PC. So what I did was so it just come up now. There's the drive, and if you load disk management, that's the drive there, unallocated 1 terabyte. So I loaded up my data recovery software, and if I can see this drive, not coming up at the moment. PC recovery. Refreshing drive information. So it's going to initiate all the connected drives to your computer, so I can read those in order to attempt a recovery. See, as you can hear, it's still clicking now and again. It's not like it's in a terrible state. I quoted the guy 170. Actually, I only got on. Actually, I agreed to 150 for this, plus the cost of the drive. So yeah, there we have it. It's just come up now. It took a few minutes. So we can scan that now, because it's come up. It says -1 partition. When we click on this question mark here, it says partitions without drive letter couldn't be listed in Windows Explorer. So yeah, that's normal for a drive like this in this position. So click on scan, and so this should attempt to scan the drive, because you can see it's 0%. Program was trying to skip bad sectors just to find the data. So as you can see, the sectors are badly damaged sectors, relocated sectors, pending sectors. This drive's in a bad state. Got crystal disk info here. Yeah. There you go. If I click on this, there's something called crystal disk info. It also always tells you the status of your drive. So it's 7,000 pending sector counts, more than that, and sorry, relocated sectors, and 7,000 relocated, and 880 pending sector counts. That's a lot. Definitely this drive needs to be replaced, even if it's just an external. So anyway, yeah, it's coming up. It's scanning the drive now. I think it's I found some 49 files. Anyway, this took literally more than 12 hours, and then I transferred it to my external drive, which transferred the files, but I couldn't find them, but they filled up the disk. So I did that twice, which failed, and then I did it a third time for success. So this it's going to be a lot of it's going to be a lot of persistence. So here I've got an external drive. That's what I backed it onto. The Union Suite drive plugged into the other USB port. So now it's found over 60,000 files. Scanned through 60,000 files. Of over 418 gigabytes. Anyway, so roll through the many hours and actually days. Managed to back it up into my Union external drive. 660 gigabytes worth of data here. So yeah, I managed to do that successfully. So yeah, so basically what you have to do is plug in your external hard drive or your failed hard drive into your computer, download some data recovery software, and then find a drive that's big enough to, or large enough capacity to hold that recovered data, and just keep going through that, and until it eventually backs up. This one was a real ball ache. These can be a real ball ache. That's why they cost a bit of money for the recovery process, because it's a complete persistence. You've got to keep two computers powered on, and you got your monitor as well, so you can easily see being very, very costly and fully justified price requests from data recovery software, because that's what you need to do. The time and the power, cost of the power to keep this drive powered up and recovered, and for the customer. So yeah, I hope this has helped you, and keep posted for more data recovery videos or repair videos on this channel. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.